7 magnificent ways to motivate others. We all want good things in life, but sometimes things that you want in life cannot be achieved by one person. It would be easier if the people in your life can work with you towards a common goal. What a world it would be if everyone working together can achieve each other's dreams by helping each other. There is no golden rule on achieving success. However, we can get more things done by working together than working alone. Just imagine how many challenges we could overcome if there was a way to motivate each other to get what we want. We could work towards getting the house of our dreams, the jobs we've always wanted to do, even become the entrepreneur we always wanted to be. There is no limitation to when we are motivated towards a common goal. Learning how to encourage, inspire, and to influence others is fundamental to attaining confidence in others. By being able to motivate people towards their dreams, you will obtain yours. Here are 7 ways you can motivate others. 1. Respect the integrity in others. Always be willing to commend the efforts people make on your behalf. In complimenting the actions of others, it promotes good feelings in them, resulting into a good source of motivation. There is nothing better than being in surroundings that is conducive to positive feelings, and an environment where inspiration in others can be cultivated. 2. Trust other people to do the right thing. Delegate responsibilities to those you know will follow through on the task. When a person is given responsibility to perform a duty or job, a contract of trust is created between the person who confers responsibility to the person who accepts responsibility. By showing that you trust the judgment of another person, trust is the bond that motivates reliable actions in others, and ultimately, success or failure lies in the hands of those responsible for the tasks they perform. 3. Learn to listen. No one likes to be ignored when they are trying to tell you something. If you take the time to listen to issues that are of importance to those who wishes to confide in you, you may learn something to your advantage. Knowing the needs of those who desire to fulfill your requests puts you in a unique position of responsibility. This also enforces the contract of trust created between you and those who you delegate authority to. 4. Aim to achieve manageable goals. If you aim to acquire something, for example, to increase the revenues of the business that you're in, set a reasonable target to achieve, and reduce them into bite-sized objectives that can be met within a reasonable time. This way, those you wish to encourage and motivate will see tangible gains in their efforts to achieve their goals. By managing their aims, part by part, morale is elevated and self-confidence is consolidated within those you wish to influence. 5. Dare to dream. Dreams are what our reality is made of. If we do not dream of the things we are to achieve, we will not have the vision to see where we are going, and if we cannot see where we are going, we will never arrive at the place we would like to be. Instilling a dream in others is the best gift you can give someone. To make them believe in themselves, they will have one half the battle in achieving those things most needed in life. If the person you wish to motivate believes in your faith in their ability to fulfill their own desires, give them clarity with a clear definition of what it is they are going to achieve. Definition is key to success. 6. Choose discipline to support your motivation to succeed. Motivation and discipline work like a hand to a glove. Motivation is your driving force. When that force is spent, discipline takes over and keeps you going. Without discipline, you cannot maintain your motivation to see a plan to its natural end. There is a method to installing disciplinary habits into your everyday routine. All you would need to do to accomplish this is to repeatedly perform the task you wish to fulfill until it becomes a habit. Once habits have been established within your daily routine, you no longer need to think about them, as they have been created and embedded within your neural pathways within the brain, operating on a subconscious level where you do not need to be aware. 7. Commitment. The Cambridge Dictionary definition of commitment is a willingness to give your time and energy to something that you believe in, or a promise, or a firm decision to do something. to gain the commitment of others towards an aim or purpose requires their understanding to be committed to the same results, which would mean involving everyone in the decision-making process. Together, the direction and paths taken to reaching a goal can be determined by everyone working together. In this way, the values and principles of everyone involved can be accommodated in achieving their purpose. The idea is to share the vision under one plan or purpose. In conclusion, anything can be achieved if we are motivated towards a common goal of working together. If we employ some of the principles we have discussed earlier in this discourse, you can see it would not take a lot of effort to form an alliance of friends or family working together towards a common goal. It only needs everyone to be motivated towards achieving results, and by using some of the techniques discussed, all members of a group, organization, or association can achieve their dreams.